y'all, it's Olivia. If you're new here, I make mostly fashion videos and I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. I'm also a current student at NC State University. I am a junior in fashion textile management. So I'm doing back to school content right now. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. I'll also do like week of my life vlogs during the year, so make sure to subscribe for that. But today we are going back to school shopping. It's gonna be mostly like apartment stuff, like just the basic things that I need to grab for my apartment. I'll show you, I made a really long list. So we're going to like Sam's and Target. We'll just see. I'm gonna bring you guys along and here we go. At Target, got a planner. The bulb lights for in the living room, and then I had one of these last year and I really liked it, like in the corner. And I had like a overhead light and then I had the thing in the corner, but then I could just reach out of bed and grab this instead, so we got this one. So then you can just reach up and grab it instead of having to use the big light. So we just saw they have it in silver too, so we changed to the silver one, black, and then they have silver and white, and these ones are $8, and then they have like the ones with the doubles and silver and black, and those are like 12. All right, so we just grabbed Q-tips. I use them to clean my ear piercing and my normal ears, but we grabbed some tissues. I don't think I showed that we got more washcloths. You never really like doing laundry in college because you have to like lug everything to a different room and then you have to sit with it so nobody takes it, so it's good to have a bunch of different washcloths so you don't have to wash as frequently. And we got this pack of frying pans because I'm going to try to learn how to do a few things in the kitchen, like grilled cheese and French toast, and then we got like a spatula. And then also we just grabbed like my face wash and my shampoo and conditioner, some Clorox wipes, like ibuprofen and allergy and NyQuil because medicine is expensive and it's not fun to get sick at school and then have to go to CVS and pay for medicine by yourself. So I think that's all that we've grabbed. I think that's all that we've grabbed since I last checked in, and we're about to leave and go to Sam's. I also just grabbed a beauty blender because I currently have pink eye, so that's a lot of fun. So I've been having to replace all my makeup stuff and I need a new beauty blender anyways. And I pulled out the ones I already had, which were shaped like Christmas trees, which you would think is fun, but it's actually really hard to use. And then I had another one that was just way too tough for me, so I grabbed this one. It's super squishy. We got everything checked out. Eating at Panera. We just recently got one in my hometown and it was really exciting, but every time I've eaten there it's been really bad, so hopefully this one's good. The one at home is trash and I'm not here for it. So we're in Sam's now and I completely forgot to film anything, but we just grabbed the Swiffer wet refills and I'll show you what we have in the cart in a second. So obviously we have a ton of stuff, and then Grammy is over there with another buggy in front of her. But what I have so far is mac and cheese. This is like the main thing that I make at the apartment because it's just super easy and I don't know how to make real things, but I'm gonna learn. But for now we have 12 of the macaronis, and then we have some towels I'm gonna split with like Paige or somebody because there's tons of towels in there. I got toilet paper that I'm also gonna split. I have these kind minis. These are my favorite flavor, the dark chocolate and sea salt, and then the caramel and sea salt. And at home you can just get these in single packs. So we got the minis of these and there's like 32. And then I know it's hard to see, but I also have like paper plates and plastic forks so I can just throw away stuff. But we also got like dishwasher detergent so that I can wash dishes. Let me go to the other buggy. And then I got Dr. Pepper, and then I can save these. Of course, I can put like 6 in the fridge at a time and then put the other however many somewhere else. And then we also got Gatorade. I got the variety pack of lemon, lime, punch, and orange. I don't like the purple or the white one, and that's what was in the other packs. And I got the minis because I'll get like wanting a Gatorade, but I don't want the whole thing, so I just prefer the minis. And then I got Ruffles. These are my favorite chips, and I always get them out of the vending machine at school, and they're like $1.50 out of the vending machine. So we got a pack of 50 for like $14 or something around in there. I don't know. But so that'll last a really long time. Grammy got pillows, but I already have new pillows, so. And there's some trash bags that we got.
That's what you pay like.
Apparently they're like giving away free gifts to the members or something in here right now, so everybody's over there and it's just like really hectic and chaotic. There's so many people in here, it's stressing me out high key. We have basically everything that we need. I just need like body wash and stuff like that. We haven't been to that section yet, but yeah, so exciting. Such fun things that we're shopping for college, LOL. Like toilet paper, paper towels, Swiffers, trash bags, you know. Nothing super exciting, but the things that you actually do need for school. We just grabbed fruit roll-ups that Paige is gonna split, and then just some bathroom stuff like shaving cream. I got razors, I don't know where they went. Oh, here you go, some razors. We just got the rest of the stuff, and now we are all lined up to check out. So like here's our one cart, and then here's our other cart. So yeah, just a lot of basic things that you need.